Hello students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 3rd for mathematics and today we are going to solve worksheet 17 and the questions are related to division. You can see the question is written, divide the following and find the quotient and remainder. First we have to divide. We have to divide this number 296 by 3. So start division. We cannot divide 2 by 3, so we will take 29. Okay students, so 3 9s are 27. Now subtract the numbers. You will get 9 minus 7 2, 2 minus 2 0. Okay students, now write down next digit 6 here. Now the number is 26. So table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. That is greater than 26. So we will take 3 8s are 24 and on subtracting you will get 6 minus 4 2, 2 minus 2 0. It means the quotient is 98 and the remainder is 2. This is quotient. You can mark an arrow and write down Q for quotient and this one is remainder. Okay students, similarly we have to divide the remaining quotients. So on dividing 9 by 3, 3 times 3 3s are 9. On subtracting you will get 0. Now write down the next digit 8. By the table of 3, 3 2s are 6. Continue minus, you will get 2. Write down the next digit 0. 3 6 are 18 and you will get on subtracting 2. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Okay students, see the next question third. Here is the number. So on dividing by 9, 9 8s are 72. Now subtract the numbers. 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 7 0. Now write down next digit 0 here. Table of 9. So 9 4s are 36. On subtracting you will get 4. Now write down this 0 here. Again 9 4s are 36 and on subtracting you will get 4. Okay students, so this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Okay students, see the next question number 4. We have to divide this number by 4. So you can see 4 1s are 4 minus you will get 0. Write down next digit here. Again 4 1s are 4. On subtracting you will get 0. Write down next digit 9. 4 2s are 8. On subtracting you will get 1. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. So the next question number 5th. We have to divide this number by 7. So 7 7s are 49. On subtracting you will get 0. Write down the next digit 8. On dividing by 7, 7 1s are 7. On subtracting you will get 1. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Here in this question, on dividing 64 by 8, 8 8s are 64. On subtracting you will get 0. Now write down next digit 9. 8 1s are 8. On subtracting you will get 1. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Continue to see the next question. Question number 7 and the question is given. Start division. 7 1s are 7. On subtracting you will get 2. Now write down next digit 1. 7 3s are 21. On subtracting you will get 0. Write down next digit 2 here. That is not divisible. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Question number 8. On dividing by 6. 6 9s are 54. You will get remainder as 4. Okay students. Now write down next digit 6. On dividing by this 6 7s are 42. On subtracting you will get 4. This one is quotient and this one is remainder. Now on dividing this number by 8, 8 9s are 72. On subtracting you will get 2. Now write down next digit 8. So 8 3s are 24. On subtracting you will get 4. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. See the next question number 10. On dividing by 8, 8 3s are 24. On subtracting you will get 2. Write down next digit 9. Again 8 3s are 24. On subtracting you will get 5. Write down next digit 8. 8 7s are 56. On subtracting you will get 2. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Here in this question, on dividing by 9, 9 4s are 36. On subtracting you will get 0. Write down next digit 2 here. You can see that this digit is not divisible by 9. So you have to put a 0 here and this 0 will comes here. Now 9 2s are 18. On subtracting you will get 2. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Question number 12. Divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. On subtracting you will get 1. Now write down this 7. 5 3s are 15. On subtracting you will get 2. Write down this 2. 5 5s are 25. On subtracting you will get 4. Write down this 9. And 5 9s are 45. On subtracting you will get only 4. This is remainder and this one is quotient. See the next question number 13, and the question is given. Divide by 6. 6 6s are 36. On subtracting you will get 0. Write down next digit 3. That is not divisible by 6. So put a 0 and write this down. Now 6 5s are 30. On subtracting you will get 5. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. Question number 14. Divide by 7. 7 6s are 42. On subtracting you will get 6. Now write down next digit 4. On divide by this, 7 9s are 63. On subtracting you will get 1. Now write down next digit 9. 7 2s are 14. On subtracting you will get 5. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. See the next question number 15. On divide by 8. 8 7s are 56. On subtracting you will get 0. Now write down this digit 0. As you can see, this is not divisible by 8. So write down 0 and make this digit write down here. Now this is quotient and this one is remainder. Okay students, so your worksheet 17 completed. Now you have to write down these solution in your worksheet, and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.